how to set a reminder to take a break. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically set a reminder to take a break. So you guys can use Google Calendar for this. It's absolutely miraculous how good Google Calendar functions. So simply open up Google Calendar, and then after that just simply click on any time that you guys want to set a reminder at, and then after that you guys can just simply type in reminder to take a break. And then after that, you guys can just simply choose reminder from over here as well. You can also have it repeat weekly, monthly, annually, whenever you want. And then after that, you guys can basically choose the exact time as well. After that, click on save. And now you guys are going to be notified on your computer and also on your phone to basically take a break at 1 p.m. You guys can set as many of these reminders as you want, and you guys can basically have these for as many tasks as you want. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to basically have a reminder to take a break. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.